Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at this cue card. Describe something that saves your time. You should say what it is, when you usually do it, why you do it, and explain how you think it saves your time. So before we begin, we are going to look at some of the words that we will be using in this cue card. So first word is technophobe. It means a person who dislikes technology. Next is barely, which means hardly. Another word is hassle-free, which means without problem. Next word is redeem, which means regain. Next is queue, which means line. Another word is hesitate, which means pause in decision before saying or doing. In Punjabi and Hindi, hesitate means chichkana. Next is incline, which means having tendency to do something. In Punjabi and Hindi, incline means chuka. So without wasting time, let's begin. It is well known fact that time is invaluable and managing time effectively is one of the secrets of success. I also try my best to save and utilize my time effectively. So here I would like to talk about a thing which helps me not only to save my precious time but also my money and energy. It is Axis Bank's online application. I am a technophobe, hence I prefer to visit bank instead of using any online bank applications. Due to this, I had to miss my college to do various things related to bank. As my father works in another city and there is no one in my family who has time to go to bank, therefore it is my responsibility to perform all duties related to bank. Then my cousin suggested me to download this application to save my time and money. Initially, I hesitated to use this application, but my cousin helped me. It has been hailed as a boon for me, as I can pay electricity and mobile phone bills instantly with the help of this application. Adding another feature to the cap of this application is that I can apply a checkbook, block ATM if it is lost, redeem my credit points, make fixed deposit, transfer fund, etc. The most important thing is that I can invest in mutual funds and shares. Since I am a commerce student, I am inclined towards investment. I had been finding a way to invest in shares and mutual funds, and this application stopped my search. I have been investing in mutual funds and shares for several months and can check the best return before investing. This mobile application has made various online transactions hassle-free. I barely go to bank now. I just visit a bank to deposit and withdraw money. So this application saves me a lot of time. So that's it for this session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.